Another beautiful morning in the mountains. The air is so fresh and crisp today.
Jack, the water is warm. Come and wash your face.
I'm coming, Emma. There's nothing better than starting the day with the scent of wood smoke. Come here, my little friends. Time for breakfast. Well, hello there, friends. Always good to see you. Thirsty work, all this fussing over you. Hey there, good dogs. Come here, come on.
I'm admiring the beautiful morning flowers.
They are beautiful. Good dogs. It's time to feed the chickens.
Cook, cook, cook.
They know my voice, and they know it's breakfast time.
Don't forget the brown hen. She's been hiding in the corner.
I see her. Our garden is so peaceful, isn't it? The birds are singing just for us. Well, hello there, you two. Missed me, did you?
Come on, dear. Let's get inside by the fire. Eat some corn. It's still hot. I picked it from our field yesterday.
It's very sweet. Thank you. People in the city chase wealth, but all I need is this silence and your company.
Life is simple when we know how much is enough.
That corn was delicious. Now let's get to work. Grab your wicker basket, Emma.
I'm ready. I'll bring the hose and some seeds. Our vegetable garden is waiting.
A fine day for the garden, my dear.
It is. The flowers are blooming so beautifully.
Wait till you see the vegetable garden.
Oh, the tomatoes and corn look wonderful.
The sun is getting stronger.
Oh, look at these cherry tomatoes. They are vibrant red and so juicy.
These little ones are perfect today, my dear.
Yes, they are. The basket is filling up nicely.
Good. Let's get a few more for dinner.
All right. They are so beautiful.
Great! And the corn stalks are taller than me now. We'll have a bountiful harvest this year.
Should I pluck some leafy greens for our dinner tonight?
Yes, please. Also, check if the cabbages are firm enough. We need to pull out some weeds around them, too.
We've tended these tomatoes well. Now, let's see how the cabbage and cohob are doing. These cabbages look strong. The soil is good, the sun shines. This is the rhythm of the earth. Just look at these beauties. The cabbages are thriving this year. Let's check this one here. Ah, firm and perfect. This is the heart of it all. Nothing beats fresh from the earth. Working in the garden always makes me feel connected to nature.
Looking at these green hills, I feel like I'm a part of nature. There's no stress here, only the rhythm of the earth. Time to gather the harvest, my dear.
Yes, let's pick the tomatoes and corn first.
And a few cabbage leaves.
The basket is getting full.
Then let's go home, hand in hand. Let's hurry a bit. The chickens must be waiting for their second meal of the day. Cook, cook, cook! I'll throw a handful of dried corn onto the dirt. Watching them scramble for food brings a small smile to my face. A simple cycle of life. There you go. Eat up so you can grow strong. Well, that was a good day's work. Time for some supper, don't you think, my dear?
Indeed it is. The stew's been simmering nicely. Come and sit down. Jack, can you help me shuck the corn? I'm making a hot soup to warm us up.
Coming. The crackle of the fire and the smell of fresh soup. This is true happiness.
Indeed. We don't have much, but we have everything we need.
Smells wonderful, dear. Is it ready?
Just about. Let me bring it over.
Mmm, delicious. Nothing like home cooking.
I'm glad you like it. Enjoy. It's a quiet life, but it fills our hearts.
That is our daily life in the mountains. What about you? How was your day?
Tell us your story. We'd love to hear it.